Today I will show you how to destroy aphids on plants naturally. I need a 5-liter bottle. Bicarbonate of soda helps plants become less acidic and stops fungal growth. I add 15 grams of bicarbonate of soda. I need salt. The salt will disorient the plant lice and make it impossible for them to feed and reproduce. I add 15 grams of salt. Vinegar works by changing the pH value on the surface of the plant and making it unattractive to aphids. I will pour 15 milliliters of vinegar. I will pour 5 liters of water into the bottle. I will close the bottle and give it a good shake. Write me in the comments from which country you are watching me. It's nice to know that we are looking at each other all over the world. I will pour the solution prepared in this way into the sprayer. Spray the plants with this natural solution every 7 days. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comments and a like. Thank you, dear friends.
If you want a rich yield of tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers, this natural fertilizer will make your garden flourish. I prepared a liter of lukewarm water, and I will add 10 grams of dry yeast to the water. I also add 1 spoonful of sugar. Sugar helps activate the yeast. I will stir. I'll let it sit for 2 hours. Before use, we dilute the natural yeast fertilizer with water in a ratio of 1 to 10. I will pour 100 milliliters of yeast solution into 1 liter of water. First, I water the plant with water so that the roots do not experience stress. With natural yeast fertilizer, water the plants once every 10 days. Yeast can increase the activity in the soil and increase the plant's need for potassium. Sprinkle some wood ash around the plant as a supplement. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.
I will prepare a natural fertilizer for tomatoes that improves growth and increases yield. I will add 2 tablespoons of tomato concentrate without salt to half a liter of water. I will stir. I will add 40 grams of fresh yeast. Yeast stimulates the growth of plants and leads to more abundant flowering and strengthens the root system. I will stir. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I'll let it sit for an hour. After an hour, I pour the solution into a 5-liter bottle. I will dilute it with 5 liters of water. I'll close the bottle and give it a shot. Water the plants with this natural fertilizer once every 10 days. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, dear friends. I will show you how to get rid of stink bugs from tomatoes and other vegetables in a natural way. First, I need 1 bag of baking powder for the cookies. I will pour 10 grams of baking powder for cakes into half a liter of water. I will stir and wait for the chemical reaction to subside. When the reaction of baking powder for cakes and water has calmed down, I will add another half liter of water. I'll stir. I will pour the solution prepared in this way into the sprayer. I'll close the sprayer and soak. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. Baking powder for cookies will repel stink bugs. Spray tomatoes in your plants for as long as needed. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, dear friends. I will make the simplest drip irrigation system from a plastic bottle. I will drill a hole in the cover with a 2 mm drill bit. Now I need an ear stick to cut in half. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I put half of the ear stick in the hole made on the plug. Apply glue on all sides. Now I need a green syringe needle. I will stick the needle in the plastic bottle at the bottom. I will stick the needle with glue on all sides. Now I will wait for the glue to dry. The glue has dried and now I will fill the bottle with water. I will close the bottle. Take the bottle to the garden and place it next to the plant. You have a simple and inexpensive drip irrigation system. When the water runs out, just refill the bottle. Create as many irrigation systems as you have plants. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, dear friends.